Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dechat token. Now this is a brand new token that's getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Dechat token. So KuCoin is not available in everybody's area, so I will tell you a different way how to get this token. But first of all, if it is available in your area, you could download KuCoin from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. I was just looking at their BSC scan. It says 17 holders. It's not really available anywhere yet. This is a brand new token. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 25 million tokens. So if KuCoin is not available in your area, most likely around the same time that this token gets listed on KuCoin, it'll get listed on a decentralized exchange like pancakeswap. So you'll most likely be able to fund your Trust wallet or metamask wallet with the Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps. Peace out.